Hey guys, sun is shining. You know what that means? Motorcycle weather. Check out this 2009 Harley Davidson Street Glide. These Harley Davidsons come with a pretty good factory sound system, but our customer wanted a better experience. Before our install team gets started on this bike, I want you to have a listen to what the factory sound system sounds like. So today our installers are going to be installing a Kenwood mechless head unit, as well as Diamond Audio 6.5-inch front fairing speakers. It's at the end of the day here today, so we're going to check back in tomorrow and see how everything sounds. Hey guys, we're back. It's only been a couple hours. Landon has just finished this motorcycle. Let's check out how great it sounds. If you'd like to upgrade your sound system, ride on down to JB's Power Center, talk to our experts, and we'll see what we can do for you.